I wanted to work in engineering because of the positive impact it can have on the environment. I've always been interested in understanding how stuff works, trying to modify toys like remote control cars, and it's gradually progressed. Now I'm involved in large-scale decarbonisation projects. I guess the main thing I'm surprised about is how willing people who have been working in the industry for so long are to try and transfer the knowledge to apprentices. I started in work winning, and then I went to design, and then commercial, and then I spent time on site. You grow as a person, but then you also get a better understanding of what you enjoy and what you'd like to do as a career. The main aspect that I've enjoyed the most about being an apprentice is the balance, being on site, being in the office, going to college. It keeps every week exciting. One of the projects I'm working on is Christie Hospital, where we are installing a combined heat and power engine, solar panels, heat pumps, LEDs. All these different strategies are going to work together to decarbonise the hospital. It makes me feel good inside knowing that what we're doing is going to have a benefit in the future.